Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. It's been so many days. So, come on, guys, let's see how to prepare dal tadka. Yeah, first of all, we have to take moong dal and tur dal. So, we'll add little bit of water and sliced onion and sliced tomatoes. Actually, sorry, I forgot to mention the quantity of the dal. Like we have to take half bowl of tur dal and half bowl of moong dal, and we can add it sliced onions, sliced tomatoes, and little bit green chilies, and let's add some coriander leaves as well. Dal tadka will be very simple and delicious dish, so it's very easy to prepare. Like it won't take much time, hardly it can take around 15 minutes, I can say. Let's add some coriander leaves and a pinch of turmeric, and we'll add some green chili powder, sorry, red chili powder, and some oil, like 1 tablespoon of oil or else ghee we can add it. Let's add some water, like 1 glass of water, and we'll keep it for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare for tadka. We have to add 2 tablespoon of oil or else ghee, and then little cumin seeds, and let's add little bit of mustard seeds. So we'll fry until it gets little bit of brown. Then we'll add chopped garlic, and we can add some chopped onion as well. I am adding only little bit just for the flavor because I already kept onion with dal. Yeah, now we can see dal is almost well cooked. It is soft. So now we have to smash it thoroughly so that it looks like a paste. Then we can add it into tadka. Yeah, now it got smashed into required consistency. So we can able to see it's a proper consistency we have. So now the tadka is also most ready. So we'll mix it with tadka, and then we'll pour some water and we'll make the sambar. Have to mix it properly so the tadka and dal will get gel properly. Then we can add some water to make it a little bit thin. Then we can add required salt. Now our tadka is almost ready. We can see this. This is looking so yummy. Now let's add some coriander leaves. So it looks nice and it adds taste as well to the dal tadka. Finally, our dal tadka is ready to taste. If you liked it, please do subscribe and support for more recipes. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe.